The University of Wisconsin-Green Bay hosted its first day of Grandparents University Summer Camp Thursday. Grandparents University is a two-day event that offers grandparents and grandchildren a chance to learn together through interactive classes taught by UW-Green Bay professors and community educators.
Well, the camp got started here in Green Bay because I had a co-worker who went to UW-Madison, and she attended Grandparent University there and came back to Green Bay and said, "Oh my goodness, Mona, we need to try this." So back 7 years ago, we started it, and we had about 80 people in the program to begin with. And over the years, it hovered around 100, and last year we had enrollment of about 150, and this year we're over 200.
Participants had a variety of classes to enroll in, from a clay design course to a hand drumming class. Jim Nova and his 10-year-old grandson Joshua took a rocketry class this year.
Well, last year we took geology, this year we're taking rocketry. Well, one of the best things about it is all the tests that we get to do. I mean, it's really, really interactive.
The program is designed to encourage kids to continue their education after high school.
These memories that are being fostered or grown here are going to last forever, and I think even more important, the grandparents in so many cases want their grandkids to go to college, and I've heard this over and over that they're just so happy that we're doing this on a college campus because they want their kids to go to school someday, and this is just one way of planting that seed.
For Press Gazette Media, I'm Corey Picard.